January 25th, 2021 Fluency. What is the product, for number one, what is the product of 34 and 22 hundredths and 2 and 5 tenths? Product means we're going to multiply. Do I have to line up my decimals when I'm multiplying? No. I'm going to push it all to the right. 34 and 22 hundredths times 2 and 5 tenths. All right, here we go. 5 times 2 is going to be 10. 5 times 2 again is going to be 10. Plus 1 is 11. 5 times 4 is going to be 20. Plus 1 is 21. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 2 is 17. Now I'm done with that 5. We'll do pink. Done with that 5, so I'm going to put a placeholder of 0. I'm also done with these remainders. Now I have 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 times 2 again is 4. 2 times 4 is going to be 8. And then 2 times 3 is going to be 6. All right, let's add them up. We have 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 again is 5. 8 plus 7. Well, I know 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus 1 is going to be 15. 6, 7, 8. Is that my answer? No, what do we need to do? Put in those butt cheeks. We need to count our digits of how many decimal places we move in. All right, so let's see. We go in 1, in 2, in 3 total. Don't forget that bottom one. So 1, 2, 3 total. So our decimal is going to go in between the 5 and the 5. So our answer is going to be, oh, I guess I can white out these areas so I can put that answer there. There we go. All right, so our answer is going to be 85 and 55 hundredths, or you can have in 550 thousandths. You do not necessarily have to put that 0, because remember, if you keep having zeros at the end, that is okay, and it still stays the same thing. Just like if you have $5, well, you'd still have 0 change, so that's still the same thing. All right, let's take a look at our next one. Find the sum. Ooh, yes, addition. So we're going to find the sum of 54, 43 and 3 tenths, and 0 and 986 thousandths. Now, do we have to line up our decimals when we're adding and subtracting? Yes, we do. So, whoa, why do I keep doing that? Okay, we're going to have 54 plus 43 and 3 tenths. Plus 0 and 986 thousandths. Yes, we can put some decimals and placeholder zeros here if you would like to. Ooh, maybe I'll do those in a different color. Because why not? Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, now let's add. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 3 plus 0, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry that 1, drop that 2. What do I do with that decimal? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is going to be 8. 5 plus 4 is going to be 9. So our answer is going to be 98 and 286 thousandths. Woohoo! All right, last one. Last but not least, what's the quotient? Ooh, I know quotient is division. All right, so we're going to have 6,006 divided by 13. Ooh, we can do it. 6,006 divided by 13. All right, now, I know that we don't have any decimals to pop up. I know 13 cannot go into 6, but I do know it can go into 60. Let's see. What if we tried maybe 4 times? I don't know. Let's try it. So it's going to kind of be trial and error. So 13 times 4, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Oh, yeah. Wow, perfect. So it's going to go in 4 times, and you get 52. I'm going to erase that now. All right. When we subtract, 6 becomes a 5 to make this a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Drop that 0. Now we have 80. Well, how many times can 13 go into 80? I don't know. We just had it as like times 4, 5, maybe like times 6, 13 times 6. Let's try that. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 plus 1 is 7. Oh, right again. All right, so it is going to be times 6. And then 13 times 6 is 78. Woohoo! Now we'll subtract. And I will erase those. 78 minus, or 80 minus 78, that 8 becomes a 7 to make that a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we can bring down that final 6. 13 can go into 26 2 times because 13 times 2 is 26. So then we subtract, we get 0. So our answer is going to be up top here. Our answer is 462. 462. And that is going to be it for our fluency. Great job.